Number 2. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. In the world of electric smokers, the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker stands out as a top choice for advanced cooks. With its innovative features and spacious design, this smoker is a game changer for those looking to elevate their smoking game. The digital controls on this smoker make it incredibly easy to set your desired cooking time and temperature up to a maximum of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of precision allows for perfect results every time, ensuring that your meats come out tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. One of the standout features of this smoker is the patented side wood chip loader, which allows you to add more wood chips without losing heat or smoke. This means you can continuously infuse your food with delicious smoky flavor without any interruptions, resulting in perfectly smoked dishes every time. Another benefit of this smoker is its spacious cooking chamber, which can accommodate up to 7 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, or 4 racks of ribs. This means you can easily cook for a crowd without sacrificing quality or flavor. While this smoker has a lot to love, there is one minor drawback to consider. The grease tray can be a bit difficult to clean, but this is a small price to pay for the superior results you'll achieve with this smoker. If you're serious about taking your smoking game to the next level, the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker is the perfect tool for the job. Check it out and get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.